Alright guys, have you ever seen one of these at the store? They advertise that they give your car better fuel economy or maybe even add a little bit of horsepower. Is that a bunch of crap? Let's dive in. Alright, so this is the Eco OBD2. Advertised on Walmart for around $8. Advertised elsewhere online for $26 to $50. This better be good. The reviews give it 3 stars. Mixed results. Some say, oh, it worked fantastic. Other people say it didn't work at all. Alright, breaking into this. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. When you look at it from this way, it looks like it uses all the pins of your vehicle's diagnostic port, but when you flip it over, there's only 8 that are passed through in actuality. And under the microscope, you can see these 2 pins are connected, and this pin down here is connected, but these are all isolated. And looking on the back side of the board, there are no traces, no connections. Alright, so this is how the circuit works. This is a 78L05, which is a 5-volt regulator. So this takes the 12-volt in from the car and gives you 5 volts out. This is a protection diode, so this forms the power supply for the 8-pin microcontroller here. This button here is actually a reset button, and so 5 volts comes out of the regulator, it powers this microcontroller here, and it also goes to this resistor here, which pulls this leg up to 5 volts, and then when you push the button, it connects this leg to ground and overcomes the 5 volts supplied by here to ground this pin to signal the reset. 3 lines come out of this microcontroller and go through these 3 current limiting resistors, which go to these 3 LEDs to make lights flash to make you think it's doing something. So when you plug this thing into the OBD port, it lights up and it's like, oh, I have power. And then it actually pretends to connect to your car and transmit data. See? Rapid flash. Like, oh, I'm doing something. I'm actually doing nothing other than making you think I'm doing something. Now this is a simple 2-layer board. There's no internal planes connecting to any of these other pins, but I can demonstrate that for you. I've already beeped it out, but here's an easy way. So if I probe the blinking LED with my oscilloscope, you can see this pattern here. So yeah, if I use my scope and I probe these other pins, as you can see, there's no pattern happening because there's no communications actually being attempted on this thing. It's just silence. So there you have it, folks. This hunk of junk is nothing more than an electronic placebo. Be sure and tell your friends so they don't waste their money on these things. And be sure to like this video so more people can figure out that these things are bunk. And don't forget to follow me for more nerdy stuff.